Hi guys, welcome to the video. Now I've got something very special to share with you today. I've got a brand new competition starting and I've got a bonus pack releasing on the 3rd of August that will blow your mind. It's amazing, it really is. First, the competition. Now in the competition you can win a copy of Insta Design Pro plus my huge bonus pack. Now the competition starts today, closes on the 3rd of August at 11 AM. Now, if you're interested in entering the competition, just click this blue button. It will take you across to YouTube. Just comment on that video there, like and share the video, subscribe to the channel, and then on the 3rd of August, I will pick the winner. Okay, so that's all you need to do to enter the competition. But before you go across to YouTube, please watch the rest of the video because I want to tell you about the amazing bonus that I have. Now, first is a brand new app called Vorteo. Now this is a text-to-voice app. You've probably seen a couple of those before. This is a little bit different because it gives you your own business in a box. Now you can sell Vorteo to your clients. You can resell it and keep 100% of the income. You get the front-end version of Vorteo, plus you also get the extended version as well. So you get everything in there. And you get the full reseller version as well. I'm going to show you inside Vorteo at the end of this video, so make sure that you stick around for that. But you can also check out some of the voices here that I've put a few examples on. So you've got hundreds of different voices, multiple languages, and AI and standard as well. So make sure that you claim this because it's an amazing bonus. If you do any type of reseller products, you definitely want this. Okay, and I'm going to show you inside Vorteo at the end of the video. Then I'm also going to be giving a 20k traffic package. Now we're about 35,000 visits away from hitting 1 million visits on the Traffic Boost system. So what I'm going to do for the first 50 buyers of the product, they will get 20,000 visits. Now we've never done that before. It's just to celebrate us hitting nearly 1 million visits. So if you want to get in on this, you must be in the first 50 buyers, okay? I'm going to show you inside the traffic package as well in a moment, so you can see exactly where we are with that. But 20,000 visits, and all you need to do is purchase the front end. So it's an amazing deal. Then I've got Vorteo. Now this is a file transfer platform. You can create links, add content there. You can set expiring links, things like that. You can auto delete, password protect the files, much more. Plus you get the agency version to that. Now all this is brand new, so to claim this, all you need to do is look out for the email on the 3rd of August. But if you enter the competition today, you can also win a copy on the 3rd. You could be in with a chance of winning a copy on the 3rd of August. Now, if you don't want to miss this bonus, and I can assure you don't, because this is only kind of a little look at the bonuses. The full bonuses will be released on the 3rd, and got lots more as well. I would suggest opting into the early bird list for the simple reason this whole bonus that you're seeing here, Vorteo, the Vorteo in extended, and the Vorteo reseller, plus the traffic bonus and Vorteo as well, are all limited, so you must be in the first 50 buyers to grab this. So make sure that you're on that early bird list and then you will be the first to learn about it. Okay, but remember, if you want to enter the competition, just make sure you click that blue button, go across to YouTube and comment on the video. And I also have some free downloads right at the bottom of the page. Make sure that you claim those as well. And also, before I forget, if you opt into the early bird list as well, I've got some free reseller packs as well, so make sure that you do that. Okay, what I'm going to do now is jump inside Vorteo so you can see the app in action. Then I'm going to jump onto the Traffic Boost system so you can see how close we are to 1 million views. So thanks for watching. Watch the rest of the video. Hi guys, welcome back. Now here we are inside Vorteo. Now this is the text-to-speech app. You'll get the full version, so you get the extended version as well. Plus, you'll get the resellers, so you'll be able to resell access to Vorteo as well. You get all the sales page, the materials, everything you need to resell this. And it works very well. So, for example, here you've got English US, you've got multiple different languages to choose from. You've got standard voice, you've got AI voice. So if you want an AI voice, so you can just click that one if you want. You can test them here, see what they sound
My name
like.
is Justin. I will read any text you type here.
Okay, so all you need to do is enter the text. So just put that, and you've got different outputs. You can speak soft, medium, loud, extra loud. So you've got speaking rates, so you can do it slowly to extra fast. So just leave it on default at the moment. Just click preview.
Make sure you enter the early bird to lock in this bonus.
And then once you've done that, just synthesize the file, and you can see that's already done.
Make sure you enter the early bird.
You can download it there and view it as well. I'll delete it if you want. So an amazing application. So remember, you get access to everything, plus you get to resell the app as well. So let me jump across to the Ultimate Traffic Boost now. Now you can see we're on over the last 365 days. It's not actually been 365 days. I think we're on about 6 months, 7 months since we launched it. We're just shy of 1 million visits. So to celebrate that, we're going to be giving the 20k package away. So make sure that you get that as well. It's only for the first 50 people, so you must be in the first 50 people to claim that. Okay, so an amazing bonus package for an amazing product that launches on the 3rd of August. If you want to enter the competition, just click the link below, go across to YouTube, comment on that video, and then on the 3rd of August, I will pick a winner. But make sure that you get in that early bird list, because this bonus will go very, very quickly. So thanks for watching. Watch out for the next video.